Commonly used lathe threading instructions. Programming method of G32, G92, and G76. G32. Single-stroke thread cutting. The format is G32XZF, where X and Z are the endpoint coordinates of single-stroke threading. F is the thread lead. Note that when adding the program, the cutting in and out of the tool and the return of the tool should be programmed in the program. And when the bevel angle alpha is below 45 degrees, the thread lead is specified in the Z direction. Above 45 degrees, the X-axis direction should be specified. G92 thread cutting cycle. The format is G92XZRF. X and Z are the coordinates of the cutting endpoint. R is the radius of the conical thread. The difference between the radius of the endpoint and the radius of the starting point. If cylindrical thread, R is the difference between the radius of the endpoint and the radius of the starting point. F is the pitch. Multiple feeds are possible. Continuously increase the amount of X-axis feed. G76 thread turning and pin compound cycle. It mainly processes threads with large pitches. Its format is G76XZRPQF, where XZ indicates the coordinates of the end of the thread. R is the same as G92 and P is thread pitch. Q is the first cut amount. F is thread lead.